Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I am doing a summertime glam look for today. Today is going to be all about having glowy skin and glowing makeup and just to look super fabulous in the summertime. If you are interested in this look that I did today, then stay tuned. Now let's get into it. I'm going to go into the Morphe 352 palette, and I'm going to the color Flux. And I'm going into the Morphe 350 palette, and I'm going to be using the color Choco. I'm going to take the color Cafe. Then I'm going to take some concealer to do my cut crease. To put the color Zippy onto my cut crease I just made, and I'm using the Morphe 352 palette. I'm taking that same color Choco, and I'm just putting that on the corner, the outer corner of my eye. For primer for today's look, I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I always like to put powder before my foundation, and I usually use the Huda Beauty setting powder in the color Cinnamon Bun. For foundation today, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I just recently started using this foundation and I really like it. I think I might like it better than the original one where it's the matte Pro Filter foundation. But I'm using this one today because this is a summer look and you want to look really glowy during the summertime. And I know this, and I'm using the shade 450, and it's a little bit too red on me, and I think I'm gonna go up a shade and try the color 445 instead. But the good thing about this though, by the time I get done with my makeup, you're not even gonna notice how red this foundation is. And it does oxidize a little bit, which is a good thing. For my concealer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Chai. I'm going to let the concealer dry down a little bit before I start blending it out. I'm going to start blending this out using the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. The sponge is damped. Used a sponge to blend out my concealer in like such a long time. I always be using a brush to blend it out, but now since I'm using a sponge today, I'm I'm like actually liking it, liking the result of it, and I miss it. Now it's time to contour my face, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Ebony. I'm going to use the Morphe M404 brush to blend out my contour. To clean up a little bit where I drew my contour line on my cheekbone. I'm going to take my Morphe E20 brush to blend this out. Now it's time to bake my face, and I'm using the Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder. I think they discontinued this, which sucks because I really like using this powder. I'm going to bake the sides of my nose. I'm going to wipe off some of that powder off my face using this Morphe Y3 brush. I like using a big fluffy brush to wipe off the excess of the setting powder. While my nose bakes, I'm going to do my eyeshadow like near my waterline. And I'm just going to take the color Choco. And I like to take a small brush to apply it. Then I'm gonna take the color Cafe to darken that up a little bit. To wipe off that powder on the sides of my nose. I'm going to take a white eyeliner pencil to do my waterline. For blush, I'm using the Cover FX Monochromatic Blush Duo. A really pretty color. Gonna take my sponge and dip it into some setting powder so I can carve out my cheekbones and bake that a little bit. I forgot to apply my bronzer, so I'm just gonna do that right now. I'm using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the color Thick Mint. To be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set the rest of my face. just spray this all over. For my lips today, I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in the color Espresso to line my lips. I'm using the MAC lip gloss. For my highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero. I know I pronounced that wrong. But I'm using this palette, and I'm going to use the color 143. I'm also going to take that same highlighter color to put it on the corner of my eyes. Right here. To be extra today, I'm going to put a little bit of highlight above my lip. And here is the final look. It's now summertime, so it's time to glow up and make sure you have nice glowy makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you want more videos from me, then make sure to subscribe and to like this video. And until next time, bye.